Hi, we're Big Y's registered dietitians, Andrea
and Carrie. Including more whole grains to your meals is a great way to add fiber and nutrients to your plate.
Here are 2 easy ways you can add whole grains to your favorite meals and desserts.
Burrito bowl with quinoa. Cook quinoa in broth according to package instructions. Heat oil in a skillet and saute onions, peppers, chili powder, and paprika. Build your bowl. Add quinoa, black beans, sauteed vegetables, and cooked shredded chicken. Top with salsa, avocado, and plain yogurt.
Cherry chocolate chip cookies. In a large bowl, add buttery spread and brown sugar and beat until combined. Stir in egg yolks, flour, baking soda, and salt, then fold in chocolate chips and dried cherries. Form dough into log and chill in refrigerator. Slice, place onto cookie sheet, and bake. Cool and enjoy.
For these recipes and more,
visit BigY.com.